feel like your life isn't yours anymore? Between the endless tasks and other people's demands, you're drowning. It feels like carrying the weight of the world, and you find yourself saying yes when you really want to scream no. Slowly, you start losing the person you used to be, pulled in every direction, but never towards yourself. The burnout is real, and it's hitting hard. You feel alone in the struggle, keeping it all inside, watching your mental battery drop to 1%. But what if you had the power to stop it all? Ah!
Why is it so hard to set boundaries? Usually, it's just the fear of being disliked. We build these mountains of people-pleasing just to feel enough. Wearing a mask and hoping no one sees we're actually exhausted. But balancing everyone else's needs is a tightrope walk to nowhere. It's time to stop choosing the easy path and start choosing the right one. Setting a boundary isn't a wall, it's a door to your own freedom. When you define your values, you stop apologizing for existing. Just like a thirsty plant, your mind needs care to grow. It's okay to acknowledge that no is a complete sentence, and you're starting to realize that your peace is worth the discomfort. Start realizing that clearing your plate isn't selfish, it's necessary for your sanity. You pick up those books of other people's expectations and place them back on the shelf. They aren't your stories to carry anymore. You carve out time for your own life, marking me time as a non-negotiable
This time is mine,
appointment.
and nobody is taking it.
When you speak your truth, you don't need to shout. A gentle no is loud enough. You start letting go of the guilt, watching it drift away like a balloon in the wind. The path ahead feels clearer. The mirror reflects someone you finally recognize. And for the first time, you're not just surviving, you're actually growing. The breakthrough doesn't happen with a roar. It happens in the quiet moments, when you choose yourself. You stop letting the shadows dictate your day and finally let the light in. You learn to prioritize, erasing the clutter that kept you stuck.
Take control.
And holding your ground against the noise.
Focus.
It's like finding a quiet corner to breathe with your own peace. You're clearing away the stress, sweeping it out until the path ahead is visible through your own clear lens. You're planting seeds of boundaries, watering them with intention, and feeling that newfound space expand within you. You are no longer just reacting, your own light. And that, my friend, is the ultimate flex. It's not just about saying no. It's about understanding the psychology of your energy. Think of a boundary as a dotted line you draw around your own space. It's not meant to keep people out, but to keep your peace in. Your brain works like a high-powered engine. When you constantly overload it with others' demands, you're effectively draining your own battery. By setting boundaries, you're literally filtering the noise from the signal. You're choosing to weigh your needs with the same respect you give everyone else. This is self-awareness at its peak. You're finally listening to your own internal monologue, catching those bright ideas before they're drowned out. Remember, you are the architect of your own limits. Protecting your space is the most honest thing you can do for yourself and everyone you love. If this resonated with you and you're ready to prioritize your own growth, hit that like button to spread the vibe and make sure to subscribe so we can keep leveling up together. You've got this.
True growth isn't always visible on the outside.